Good morning, dear students. In our previous physics class, we studied an important relation between voltage and current. So, can anyone name the law which establish a relation between V and I, potential and current?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Ma'am, it's Ohm's law.
Ohm's law. Yes. So, what is Ohm's law?
The potential is directly proportional to the current flowing through the circuit.
Yes, potential across the ends of a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor. That is, we can say V is proportional to I. Or we can say that important condition to flow current is that there should be potential difference between the terminals. V is proportional to I. Means if there is potential difference, only the current will flow in that case. So we can relate this with an example of water also. Suppose there is a pipe. There is a pipe. If this is the upper end, I can consider this at potential V1. In case of potential, I can consider it as V1 and this as V2. If there is difference in the level of V1 and V2, only then there is flow of current. Just like water. Water can flow only if there is spontaneously flow. I can say spontaneously flow only if there is difference in the level. So this is the Ohm's law. Here V is the potential, I is the current. Here R is a constant. R is a constant. What is the name of that constant?
Resistance.
Yes, this is resistance. And the unit of resistance, what is the unit of resistance? We discussed in our previous class.
Ohm.
Ohm. The unit of resistance is ohm. Now we know in our daily life, a person die if he touch a high voltage transmission line. But a bird do not die if they sit on a high voltage transmission line. Like this. Here you can see that birds are sitting on a transmission line and they are safe. So the reason they are safe is that because their feet are on the same line. So there is no potential difference. The potential, suppose the potential at this point is V1 and the potential at this point is V1. So in this case, V1 is equal to V2. So there is no potential difference. No potential difference means no flow of current. So the bird is safe. But by chance, the bird expand wings. See here, by chance he expand his wings. So a part of body will touch the other transmission line. This is the line on which the bird is sitting and this is the line which is touched to the body of the bird. So here the potential of this line may be V1 and the potential of this line may be V2. So here V1 is not equal to V2 means there is some potential difference. So if there is some potential difference, current will flow through the body of the bird and bird will feel a shock and he will die. But if he is sitting on the same line without expanding his wing, so he is safe. So in this way, you can relate the concept of potential and current with our daily life experience. So now, today, we will learn about a new topic that is resistor color coding. How color coding is done in a device electronic component, that is resistor. Resistor is basically a device which provides some resistance. So this is how a resistor looks like. There is a lead rod, and this on this body of the resistor there are lines, and we call these lines as rings. These are the rings, and there are minimum 3 numbers of rings, minimum 3, and maximum in some resistance they are 4, and in some resistance they are 6. But in our syllabus we will discuss about the coding of the resistor which contain 3 or 4 rings on their body. Next, this is the carbon composition. These resistors are made up of carbon. So in this you can see how is the composition. In it, the inner part contain carbon, and there is an insulating cover around this carbon composition, and these lead rods act as terminal, and there are different colored rings on the body of the resistor. So now today we will decode this coding. In these colors there is coding, and we will decode that. So now firstly we will discuss about steps how to deal to decode that. So firstly, arrangement. Arrangement is that you can arrange it like this or this. In this golden color line is on left side, but in this is on right side. So this is the correct way and this is the wrong way. Hold the resistor, look for 3 colors which they are near to each other. See that this red, blue and brown, these are near to each other, and this ring is at large distance as compared to the distance between these 3. So the rings that are near to each other, place them on the left side, and the ring that is golden or silver on the right side. So this is the way how you have to observe a resistor. Next is the step in which look for the first color. So here first color is red. First color is red. So note down that color. The first color represent the first significant of the resistor. So it will tell us about first significant figure. I think in +1 you studied the concept of significant figures. Significant figures are the numbers that are significant for a particular value. So this first ring and color of this ring will tell us about first significant figure. What is the value of that significant figure? I will provide a table for that, and from table we will find that value. Second is look for the second color. Second color is blue. So note down that color, and this color also represent the second significant figure. So from first ring, first significant figure, and from second ring, second significant figure. Next is you have to look for the third. Similarly for third, and you note down the color of that ring. Third ring, that is brown, and it will tell you about the power of 10. What is the power of 10 that you have to use? Okay. And in case of fourth ring, it will tell you about the tolerance limit. So do you know what is the meaning of word tolerance?
And tolerating anything is known as tolerance.
Yes, to tolerate anything, capacity to tolerate. Yes, very good. So in this way, now let us combinedly see. This is the table. From this table, we will find out the total value. So here you have to write the colors in the first column, that is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, none. None means no color. So just you have to learn this series. After that, simply write 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, and then 0 power of 10, 10 raised to power 0, 1, 2 up to 9, and after that tolerance limit. Generally, we have to remember the tolerance limit for gold, silver, and no color. So how this table will work? Firstly, let me to tell you about the trick how you can remember this table by a single statement or single sentence, that is B.B. Roy, Great Britannian, very good wife. B for black, brown, red, orange, yellow. G for great, green, blue, violet, very violet. G green, I think this is gray, and W for white. And here you can write B.B. Roy, Great Britannian, very good wife, wearing gold, silver necklace. Because these three colors are used only to find out the tolerance limit. So here let us see B.B. Roy, Great Britannian, have a very good wife wearing gold silver necklace. So by this trick you can remember this table. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If this series is learned to you, then 0 to 9 these values you can write very comfortably. And for gold, tolerance limit is 5%, silver 10%, and for none this is 20%. Next, important point to decode a resistor is that only gold and silver are the two colors that can be found in the fourth band. See here, I tell you about that gold silver necklace. Either it be gold, either silver, or no color. N means no color, none. So fourth band is either gold, either silver, or no color. So if a resistor contains three bands only, it means it do not have any tolerance limit, and for it we will use plus minus 20%. Okay, but if it contains four rings, the fourth ring may be of golden color and may be of silver color. If it is of golden color, then we will use tolerance limit plus minus 5%, and if it is in silver color, then we will use tolerance limit plus minus 10%. So these three colors are only for the fourth ring, and these remaining colors are for first three rings. Now see in this slide how we decode it. So here see first ring. This is golden color. Don't consider it as yellow. This is golden. This is golden. First color is blue. So blue. Find out blue. Blue is 6. So note down the value 6. First significant figure. So you have to note down the value 6. First significant figure from the first ring. And after that second ring, note down the color of the second ring. Second ring is red in color. So this is red in color. This is blue in color. So red, find out red. Red is at second place. So second significant figure is 2, 62. So these are the two significant figures which are provided by two rings. And after that third ring, the color of third ring is black. So black is at first position. So for black, you can write 6 2 into 10 raised to power 0, or you know the value of the 10 raised to power 0. If power of any number is 0, it means the value is 1. 62 into 1. And after that last color, last ring is golden in color. So as it is golden in color, so its tolerance limit is plus minus 5%. So in this way, you have to find out the value or decode from the coding. Up to here, is there any doubt to any student?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is an example for you. In this, first ring is green in color, second is black in color, and third is orange, and last one is silver. So you have to find out the value. So for this again we will see green in the table. Green is at 5 number. So we will write first significant figure. First significant figure is 5. So we will write down that value. After that second is black in color. So black, corresponding to black the value is 0. This is the value corresponding to black. So second significant figure is 0. After that orange is at 3 number. So we will write 10 raised to power 3, and meaning of 10 raised to power 3 is 3 zeros. Ohm is the unit. For silver, tolerance limit is plus minus 10%. So in this way, we can write the actual value, that is 50,000 ohms plus minus 10%. So why we are writing this tolerance limit? Suppose you have a resistor of 5,000 ohm value. Okay. And you are performing an experiment. In that experiment, you need a resistor of value 4800 ohm. This is the value of our resistance, and this is the desired value for our circuit. So here the meaning that 10% tolerance limit. 10% tolerance limit means we will find that 10% of this value, that is 500. So means in this case, if it is written that it is having 10% tolerance limit, we can use this resistance, the value from 4500 to 5500. All the values that lies within this limit, we can use this resistance having value 500 ohm. So plus minus means if value is below the 500, 10% below or 10% more. So in that case, we can use that because it can tolerate. So in the, that in our experiment, we can use that value. So the concept of tolerance is for that purpose. Next is the reverse. In the reverse, value is given to you and you have to find the color bands. Which color bands are on the body of our resistor. So the value is 350 ohms. I can write 350 ohms as 35 into 10 raised to power 1 plus minus 5 ohm. So 3 stands for orange color. So first band is orange in color. Next is 5 stands for green. So second band is green in color. After that 10 raised to power 1. So you have to find out one that is brown in color. So from here you can find that third ring is brown in color. and the tolerance limit is 5%. So 5% is for golden. So last band, last ring is golden in color. So in reverse, if values are given to you and you have to find out the colors, in this way you can find out the 4 colors of the resistor body. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now next important point is that never use black color as the first color band in the resistor. So why we should not use black color as first color? The reason is that, see in the table, for black value is 0. And we know in significant figures, if I am writing 0, 5, so the value, in this value there is only one significant figure. This 0 is insignificant figure. If 0 come on the left side of a value, it is insignificant. But if 0 come on the right side, only then it is significant. But if in our resistor black is our first color, so means first value is 0. So it is not significant. So black color is never used as a first color in the band of the resistor. Is that clear? This is insignificant. If it come on the left side of a number, but if it come on the right, then it is significant. So this is the reason why black color is not used. After that, here is evolution. Now you people find out firstly values from the coding. So from here coding to decoding, and here decoding to coding. Firstly solve these 5. In the first, I am explaining how to solve first one. Brown, black, brown, gold. Brown, see brown. Significant figure is 1. For black, this is 0 into 10 raised to power. What is 10 raised to power for brown?
1.
Brown, 1. And for golden, this is plus minus 5%. In this way, you have to find out the values. Hanji, solve the second one. And let me tell the answer.
Ma'am, for the second one, it is 25 plus minus 10%.
25 plus minus 10%. So for red, this value is 2, correct. For green, this value is 5, correct. And black, so we can take it as 1. 10 raised to power 0 is 1. And for silver, this is plus minus 10%. Very good. Next one. Solve, come forward.
No,
Yes.
15,000 plus minus 10%.
15,000 plus minus
10%.
10%. So for brown, 1, good. For green, green value is 5, very good. For orange, 10 raised to power 3 plus minus 10%. Very good, Gurpreet. Next.
Ma'am, fourth one is 93 into 10 raised to power 3 plus minus 10%.
Plus minus 10%. So for white, value is 9, very good. Yellow.
Ma'am, 94.
Yes, 94. For yellow, value is 4. So 94. And again, yellow, 10 raised to power 4. So here the value is 10 raised to power 4. Yellow color, for yellow color value is 10 raised to power 4. And for silver again plus minus 10%. Yes, last one.
Ma'am, 57 into 10 power 6 plus minus 5%.
Very good. So in this way, you can solve the numericals. After
Excuse
that,
me,
reverse. Yes.
there should be 10 to the 7.
For
Void.
violet, 10 raised to power 7. Yes, yes. Very good, Gurpreet. For violet, this is 7 and 10 raised to power 7. So this is decoding from
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, violet is second one. Ma'am, blue is the third one. So, ma'am, blue is 6 only.
Okay, ma'am, I understood.
first significant figure, second significant figure. This is for first significant figure, for second, and this is for 10 raised to power, and this is the tolerance limit. So in this way, you have to write down the values. So now Gurpreet, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Divyangana, very good. And next, in which you have to find out the code from decoding. This is the decoded value, and from here you have to find out the code. So first one is 12 plus minus 5%. So
And brown, red, black, gold.
So first is brown, second is red, third is black, and last one is 5%. For 5%, this is golden. So in this way, you have to find the values. Solve second, third, fourth, and fifth.
And second one is yellow, red, black, gold.
Yellow, violet. Second is violet.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
Hanji, for corresponding color is red. Yes. Corresponding to 7, color is violet. So second ring is of violet color. After that, again black. Hanji. So at last 5% again golden. Next 100.
Brown, black, gold.
Brown.
Yes. So this is the same case. First one and 3. So here colors are given, you have to find out the value, and here the value is given, you have to find out the color. So code is for 1 and 3 is same. So next one is 37,000 plus minus 5%. 3. First orange, yes.
Orange.
Yes.
Orange, silver.
Violet, yes. Very good. 10 raised to power 3 orange. So in this
Ma'am,
way you can find 22 into, yes, after that 6 plus minus 10. Now tell Gurpreet.
ma'am, red, blue, silver.
Red, blue, silver. Yes, very good. So in this way you can deal with the coding and decoding of the component resistor, the values of the resistance, and you can find out using tolerance limit which value is desired and which resistance we can use or not by finding out the tolerance limit. So this is all about the carbon coding. Is there any doubt to any student? I think concept is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us discuss about next concept, that is current carriers. So what is the meaning of word carrier? Carrier is means that carry bag. In our daily life we use to carry something. So here the term is carrier of current, or we can say current carriers. So what are current carrier? Which are responsible for current, which carries the electric current. So the charged particle which by flowing in a definite direction set up electric current are called current carrier, or simply we can say that carry current are called current carrier. So current carrier are different in different states of matter. So in solids, in liquids, and in gases. there are different type of current carriers. So firstly, in solids. In case of solids, there are merely two categories. First one is metals and second one is semiconductors. Can anyone tell what are the carriers of current in case of metals? We are studying this from 6th standard. Electron. Yes.
Electron.
Or we can say free electrons, because due to the movement of these free electrons, the current is constituted in our solid. So in case of metals, free electrons are the carriers of current. In case of semiconductors, semiconductors are basically of two types. First one is P type and second one is of N type. P type means positive charge excess. Positive charge means seat of negative, a vacancy that is called as hole. So in case of P type semiconductors, holes are the carriers of current. But in case of N type semiconductor, N means negative charge in excess. Negative charge in excess means electrons are in excess. So electrons are responsible for the flow of current. So in this way, you have to remember that in case of metals, free electrons, in case of semiconductor, holes, and in case of N-type semiconductor, these are electrons that are responsible for the current. So in this way, next is liquids. So in liquids, in electrolytic liquid, the charge carriers are positive and negatively charged ion. So for example, in case of copper sulfate, CuSO4, copper sulfate, Cu2 positive and SO4 2 negative ions are the carrier of current. So we can say that in case of liquids, ions basically two types. First one cations and other one is anions. Like in our example that is given to you, CuSO4, it dissociate into